Summertime is finally here. The kids are out of school, we're getting packed up to go on vacation. Unfortunately, this year vacations might cost a little more than they have in the past due to that pesky inflation that seems like it keeps on going and going. So this year we thought we'd give you 3 tips to save on your insurance for 2023 in the summertime to hopefully give you a little more to spend on your vacations, on your trips, on your summer excursions. So here we go. The first tip we have to help you save on your insurance is to shop locally. The old adage we have in insurance is that if you see your insurance company on TV, you need a new insurance company. There's 2 reasons for that. The first one is that somebody has to pay for that marketing budget of theirs. Insurance companies are profitable organizations and the marketing helps bring people in, which is great, but also you as a policyholder contribute to that marketing budget. The second is that those national companies, one you see that have commercials that span the entire country, are exposed to different types of hurricanes, tornadoes, wildfires all across the country versus a regional insurance company is only focused on Pennsylvania, New York, Ohio, that this Northeast region won't be exposed to that sort of thing. So that's why we say shop locally. Find a local independent insurance agent that can shop regional insurance companies. And that's one way you might be able to save on your auto and home this summer. Tip number 2 are discounts. You want to make sure that you are maximizing and getting all the full discounts you can get. Now, not all discounts are created equally. Some insurance companies put discounts for everything, it seems like. So if it's cloudy today, you might get a cloudy discount. If you have a purple car, you might get a purple car discount. A lot of times those discounts are a little hokey. You want some of the big time discounts such as multi-policy. You probably see online or on commercials on TV, the bundle and save, and that's a real deal. So if you have your auto covered by one company, your home covered by another company, your boat or RV covered by somebody else, it might make sense and save you some money if you can combine them with one insurance company. That way you get multi-vehicle discount, you get multi-policy discount. The more policies you have with one insurance company, the more savings they're gonna give you and the better off you'll be. A lot of times it is cheaper and even better coverage than having them split across different insurance companies. Some other ones you might find are good driver discounts, good credit score. If you are a young driver or an older driver, they also give discounts for safe driving courses. So find those discounts, ask your agent which ones you might be missing out on and which ones might be a right fit for you. And lastly are your deductibles. In insurance, the higher your deductible, the lower your premium and vice versa. So let's talk about car insurance. If your collision deductible is $5,000, that means that you will cover, self-insure the first $5,000 of damages. So anything below that, it's your responsibility to pay that. The insurance company knows that and likes that, which means they'll lower your premium. You need to have $5,000 sitting around in a bank account to make sure you can cover for those losses, which a lot of folks don't want to necessarily do. So they have lower deductibles. Some people like to have no deductibles. So if something happens to your vehicle, they pay nothing and the insurance company pays everything. In that case, your premiums will be way higher because the insurance company is taking on the full risk and the full brunt of that responsibility to fix your car. Some tricks we like to use are if you have an older vehicle that you might not care about, say you have an old truck that has some dings and dents in it. If you are in a parking lot and somebody would back into it, or you would have a tree branch fall on it, something like that and cause another dent, you might not care about it. So raise that deductible up a little bit. That way you can save on premium and everything below, say $1,000, $2,000, no big deal. It can stay in the car. It just adds some character to it. A second tip that you can do is raise your comprehensive deductible, but make sure you have the full glass coverage. Most comprehensive claims are glass claims, meaning a rock through your windshield, something along those lines, a little nick or a full crack, and that's covered by your comprehensive. So you can increase your comprehensive deductible, which would help save you some premium and only protect you from things that are more serious, like a tree falling on your car and destroying it, or it's fully vandalized, someone decides to spray paint your entire car one night. But the small glass claims are fully taken care of at a small or no deductible. So those are the 2 ways that we like to kind of get around the deductible game. See what's helpful or what is convenient for you to have and practical. If you like higher deductibles, do that. Save some money on your yearly premium. If you don't want to pay out deductibles, you might have a higher premium, but when the time comes that you might need to use your insurance, you won't pay as much out of pocket. So there we have it. 3 tips to save this summer. First is shop local, find a regional insurance carrier through an independent local agent. Second are maximize your discounts. And lastly are increase your deductibles on certain things, your home, maybe an older vehicle, if you'd like to self-insure a little more. So 3 tips, hopefully that helps, and have a great summer. Enjoy your vacations.